great history of moviegoing here in Utah, and there's a great history of movie making in Utah. We've literally been at this 100 years.
We started actually last year, and we produced 6 short films, and we're actually currently working on a feature film. Utah does offer quite a bit of opportunities for us to do it, and so we've been lucky that we didn't have a lot of barriers to do it.
So we're here with the Film Institute. We've had a lot of these great products on the hit series Yellowstone, and they're all made here in central Utah. So we're here promoting and showing the impact that that's had on our little family business and the craftsmen in the center part of the state. Kevin Costner has been our Salesman of the Year for the last 3 years.
The rural film incentive really made it possible for someone like Kevin Costner to come and shoot his 4-part movie series in the area, for a number of months, 50-something shoot days. So incentive-wise, yes, it's really important because once something does come to the community, it really does spread the wealth. The impact is immense and it's important.
For over 100 years, films have been made here in Utah from Hollywood producers. I think that it brings money into the state. It provides jobs for people like me and my daughter and thousands of other workers in the industry here. Well, Utah has so much going for it. Make this industry what it really should be.